Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing channel. So on today's video guys, we're going to do something very amazing. There is a girl on YouTube called Amber something, but she's more of aesthetics. So she told us that if you do whatever I'm doing right now, it all comes true. So on today's video guys, we are making a mood board for what we want this year, and as you can see, first things first, YouTube, I want y'all to subscribe, y'all to watch this video so that I'm also getting a tattoo this year. Okay guys, like there's a lot. So this is what we are doing. We've already cut the papers down, we've printed them, and now we are sticking. This is my project, this is Dee's project guys. Okay, so currently see what I'm doing. I'm just gluing the papers, gluing them gently at the back. Then I've already decided where they're going to be. Then after I'm done, the next part is just to stick it. Okay. So these are all the things I am manifesting. I want them to come true. This year, I need a warehouse. So as you can see, it's here and we need it to be pink, guys. So that's all we're doing in this video, so stay tuned, follow us, and if you like this video, just subscribe guys, and also keep watching. Yeah, so from hapo still nafanya this year. But this is so nice. Oh guys, hear me, this year I'm going to Malindi, so mimi na mtu wangu mmetuona, hayuko bado kwa picture lakini tuna manifest. Yes, to my fans all the way from maybe Turkey or English countries, what I just said is they're manifesting someone, and we hope they're white, not whatever skin tone I am. Yes, guys, I mean, that's all. Okay, yeah. You're going to present a problem at some point.
What's that?
We need to get a problem that we can solve before we are done with this.
Yeah.
Mbona unasema hiyo yake demiwa hivyo? Lakini kazi iko messy. And this is alafu kama niko na fail. This is our next picture.
Nini?
Lighter.
Niko na kiberiti hapa katikati.
Like I need to break that, unaelewa? Monotonous recording and to do something like mtu amestani kapasha. Iko wapi eti?
Hapa katikati. Hapa.
Hapa.
Bako kitu. Hapa katikati.
Guys, you know, this is a very intense process where we have to think about our life, so we need to be a little bit creative. Like here, do you see, this is the kind of office I want? All pink. Pink. Have you ever seen a pink office? No, but it needs to exist now. So I need some creativity, that's why. Hi guys, so we're done, and this is how it turned out. This is Mswahili carpets mood board for the fucking year. Zigo Des and your brand, do some brand job for my video. Yes, guys, as you can see, I want all these things in here. Now, when you see such things, don't think I want this seat. No, I don't want this seat. It's inspiring something. Collectively, they tell a story. Bitch, bye.